Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be discussing some Stargirl news that we got Thursday during the CW upfront regarding the Season 3 premiere date and the Season 3 theme and also some other things that's going to be happening in Season 3 of Stargirl. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button down below, subscribe if you're new, notifications on. Let's get right into the video. So, like I said on Thursday during CW upfront, Stargirl was revealed to be premiering in October of 2022. We don't know an exact date, but it's in October 2022 of this year. It will be moving to Wednesday nights. It will be taking the time slot of The Flash, because The Flash won't be on then. Which is good because for the CW, moving to a fall time slot is really good for a show. It was in the summer time slot, now it's in the fall. And the reason CW did this was because they're rearranging their slots and their schedule for the 2022/2023 schedule. I'll be talking about Flash, Superman, and Lois in another video regarding when they're premiering. But those shows were affected a little bit as well for their times to premiere in the next seasons. But yeah, this is when Stargirl Season 3 is premiering. And then also during the upfronts, Brett Bassinger, who plays Courtney / Stargirl, said Season 3's theme is murder mystery, and we are dealing with the good and bad guys living in the same town, and they kind of work together to figure out who did the murder. Now, she did mention that Shade is also still there, and we're dealing with the Crocs who are literally Court's neighbors now, and Sydney want to be on the new JSA. So we're going to be seeing that happening throughout Blue Valley and around Courtney and the JSA as well. Then Brett brought up the Season 2 cliffhanger with Mr. Bones that we saw at the end of the season. And she said there will be a couple of episodes where we're dealing with Mr. Bones. It won't be right away, but it'll be a little bit into the season where we will be dealing with Mr. Bones and his little story arc. He's not the big bad of the the season. We don't know who that is yet, apparently, but we will see Mr. Bones throughout the season, but he will not be the big bad this season. Then she brought up Cosmo, who's the cosmic staff that Stargirl and Starman use, and we're gonna be because Sylvester, who is Starman, will be a season regular, which means he'll be in pretty much every episode this season, which is amazing, finally. But we're gonna be seeing the cosmic staff debating. It's gonna be really funny, honestly, who to go to between Court and Sylvester, because obviously these two people have the power to control the staff, so it's gonna be interesting to see where this all leads. And then we're going to be diving into Court looking up to Starman as a father figure because for so long she believed that he was her father. So we're going to be looking into that. And Breck also stated that Cosmo was like a dog debating who to go to for the owner. And the struggle behind that will also be shown throughout the season, the first couple episodes as well. I love the murder mystery theme. Obviously, Season 2 was horror, which was amazing. Season 1, I think Breck said was that it was like Karate Kid and Back to the Future theme. So Season 3, and I love murder mystery stuff, so I think Season 3 is going to be really amazing season. It's going to be interesting to see where we all go with that. Now, I can't really go into my theories about the season because we don't know much. Like, we don't have a trailer. We don't have anything to go off of besides the murder mystery. We don't know who the big bad is, which kind of sucks because I think we should know that by now. It is interesting. I'm glad we got something related to Season 3 of Stargirl because we haven't gotten anything related to it till now. I wish we got a trailer, but we didn't, which kind of sucks. But nonetheless, I'm glad we got something. And again, like I said, Mr. Bones will only be appearing for a couple episodes. So we don't know if he's going to be the big bad, but Brett did say that he will be showing up a little bit into the season, and then we're gonna have a couple of episodes with him, and that'll be another story arc. So it, I mean, he could be the big bad. It doesn't necessarily mean that he will be. She didn't specifically say he will be the big bad. She just said we're gonna be wrapping up his story this season in a couple of episodes. Now we don't know how many episodes season 3 has. I'm assuming 13 because the past 2 seasons have, as far as I'm aware. But yeah, now the 10th year Arrowversary is in October. I don't know the exact day, sue me, but it is in October, and Stargirl will be the only show on. So I could see, this is a long shot, but I could really see a Flash crossover with Stargirl in October. If they really wanted to do that, I would be all for it. Just one episode or two where like Barry's traveling through the multiverse, he ends up on Stargirl's Earth, like related to the Flash and Supergirl crossover we had back in season 1 of Supergirl, season 3 of, or 2? Season 2 of Flash. I wouldn't mind seeing that. Just to honor, in a way, the 10th year anniversary, because bringing in Barry, I mean, he's kind of been carrying the Arrow for the past 10 years, or 9 years at least, so I wouldn't necessarily mind seeing that happen. It would also connect Stargirl to the Arrowverse again, because people still believe that Stargirl's not part of the Arrowverse, even though it is. And it's not just because of the Earth Prime Arrowverse canon crossover, it's also because of 209, where we saw Jay Garrick literally on Earth 2 on Stargirl in the past timeline. So, I mean, this is Jay Garrick's sister. This is R.J. Garrick. This is him officially connecting Stargirl to the Arrowverse. John Weathership confirmed that. Greg Berlanti, Mark Guggenheim, they all confirmed that. And the producers as well. And so, you know. Now, people keep mentioning this as well. Crisis of the Nurse, quote-unquote, made Stargirl part of the Arrowverse. No, it didn't. None of the producers, when asked that, they all said it was just a cameo. It does not mean they're part of the Arrowverse. They said that for Titans, Stargirl, and I think part of the DCU, if I'm correct on the DCU part, but I know for Titans and Stargirl, they're not confirming that as visual connection to the Arrowverse. They need a legitimate crossover. And Jay Garrick was that legitimate crossover for Stargirl. Titans, I can never see having an official crossover to the Arrowverse, just because of it being an HBO Max show. Even though CW, I think, has a portion of control in HBO Max, not a ton of it, but, and also WB does as well. But also concerned the fact that, do we really need that? Do we really need Titans to be connected to the Arrowverse? I don't think we do. Considering we're getting a Gotham Knight show, which is having Batwoman writers on it, and knowing Greg Berlanti will some way, somehow, assuming he gets picked up for season 2 in like a year from now, a little bit over a year, it'll probably be crossing over with Flash or some other Arrowverse show, depending on what's on. So, yeah. Then that's everything I want to go over in the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. Stay safe. And I will see you guys next video. Bye, guys.